Hey everyone, Meg here with Makeable Crafts, and today we're going to be making the cutest little Easter sign. So I'm using an 8x10 canvas that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Just going to open it up, and then I'm going to carefully just pull up on the canvas until those staples pop out. I'm going to go through and remove the canvas all the way around, and I'm going to save the canvas for another project. So I'm trying to be as gentle with it as possible and set it aside. And now I'm left with this great little wood frame. And so instead of doing some staining to it, I'm going to do some painting with it, but I'm going to paint with a baby wipe. So what happens when you do this is it kind of looks like stain rather than paint. And the beauty of it is it dries super fast. So I've got acrylic paint here. Oh, and also acrylic paint is cheaper than stains, so this goes a long way. I just add it directly to my baby wipe, and then I'm just gonna smear it on there. I'm gonna do all the top edges and then the inside of the frame and the outside. I'm not gonna worry about the back because we're gonna cover that part up anyway. So just take your time. I wanna say I added paint to this baby wipe maybe 3 times. So you can make it darker in areas, lighter in areas. It's just a matter of how much you go over it will determine how light or dark it is. But once you have it all done, then you want to set it aside and let it dry. I've got mine on a silicone mat, so not only can I paint on that, but I can also let it dry on that without it sticking, which is perfect in my opinion. All right, so now it is time to move on to our printable. I designed this for you guys exclusively. I love this one. I don't do a lot of design work, but this one was so much fun. And I did print mine at 100%. So you can print it to whatever size you want for your frame. I'm gonna make mine 7 3/4 by 9 3/4. That way I'm not worrying about having to trim off any extra paper afterwards. There's just gonna be a little bit of a border around the wood when I'm done. So I'm just gonna take some liquid glue to the back side of the frame, and I'm just running it around. Notice how I'm really close to the inside, not the outside. That's because I don't want my glue to smush out to the edge where we're not gonna have paper covering it. All right, so we're just gonna flip it over and then press it just loosely around just to make sure you don't have bubbles. Flip it over and then press it down flat all the way around. So you can find the printable at makeablecrafts.com. Look in the description of this video for where you can get to it directly. I hope you enjoy this. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to like and follow Makeable Crafts.